In case you're new here, when we bought this house, we did an addition for an office space. All along, our plan was to add a Murphy bed in here so that this could double as a guest space. Fast forward almost a year, and we are getting it done using the Create-A-Bed kit. It came with all the instructions and hardware that you need. All we needed to do was head to Lowe's to grab our lumber and a few other supplies. Also, will you just check out that sunset? Okay, little side note, moving on. The instructions are step-by-step and super helpful. The Create-A-Bed website also has video tutorials for how to build a bed, as well as a dedicated technical support team that you can call if you have any questions. We found the instructions and videos to be plenty of help for us. We followed the step-by-step instructions, cutting the lumber to match the sizes outlined in the instruction book. It tells you exactly how to build the bed frame, the headboard, the cabinet box, everything, and put them together. We got the vertical orientation queen bed, and it works perfectly for our office space. So next up, we will be doing built-in surrounds with cabinets and shelves, adding trim work to make the bed look like matching cabinetry, and then painting it all a fresh color. Welcome back to part 2 of our Murphy bed build. Today we are tackling the built-in surrounds. We bought pre-assembled cabinets from Lowe's, and so the first step was to build frames to attach the cabinets to the wall. So we used 2x4s to achieve this. You can see here we just sat them on top of the base frame that we made and then screwed them all in and attached them to the wall. We did the same thing with the uppers, and then of course did that on both sides. We made the countertops out of plywood and then also cut a hole in there to be able to have the electrical outlet that is in the wall. Our tiny little project managers like to check in every once in a while. Next was building the frames for the bookshelves, which we used the plywood for again. Once they were attached, we worked on the brackets for the shelves. So then we just did that all the way up and then put more plywood down as the shelving. So here is a quick look at where we were at this point in the process. Next was adding trims. We did that on the sides of the bookshelf, along the top, and then also at the front of the shelves themselves. We also put a piece of trim at the top to make it seamless up against the ceiling, and then started working on the panels to make the Murphy bed look like cabinets as well. Emma helped out here. The last step of the woodworking portion was to add the baseboards, and here's where we are. Next up, paint and hardware. Stay tuned for the final reveal.